Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful Python concept, and this is list comprehension. So Python lists are fantastic for storing collections of data. But what if you want to create a new list based on an existing one? Traditionally, we would use a for loop, but there's a more concise and readable way, and that's list comprehension. So looking at the code we have here, we're going to see an example. So imagine we have a list of numbers and want to square each number. Here's how we would do it with a for loop in the first chunk of this code. So you see we have numbers 1 through 4. And so we're going to create a new list called squared numbers where we want to store these squared values. And so we're going to loop through each number. For number in numbers, we're going to take that squared number, multiply it against itself to square it, and append it to the new squared numbers list. And then you see if we print out this new list, we would get 1, 4, 9, and 16, which is that list squared. So we iterate through each number, square it, and append it to a new list. This does work, but it's just a bit clunky and inefficient. So now if we look at the latter half of the code, let's see how list comprehension achieves the same result in a single line. It might look a little cryptic at first, but let's break it down. We define a new list with square brackets. Inside, we have an expression that calculates the square of each number and a for loop that iterates through the original list, all in one line. And you can see when we print this list, we now get the exact same 1, 4, 9, and 16, except now our code is much more efficient and readable. So make sure next time you are trying to create a list from another list, try using list comprehension. Once you do it a few times, it will become way easier.